Split dollar life insurance. What is this and why is this relevant for me in my situation in respects to the Connelly case and the recent Supreme Court decision that came down? Well, around the Connelly case, the argument by the IRS and verified by the Supreme Court was that if the business owns life insurance to fund a buy-sell agreement, that the value of that death benefit is added back to the business valuation itself for computations of valuation when it comes to the estate tax for both federal and state calculations. So one of the ways to solve for this is by what is referred to as split dollar life insurance. Well, what is split dollar life insurance? Effectively, split dollar life insurance is a very common methodology that's used by tax attorneys and CPAs and insurance agents, where you can rent the death benefit of a life insurance policy to a business or an individual. And effectively, the way that this is done is, let's suppose that you had a life insurance policy that was owned personally, and you wanted to not necessarily transfer that policy to a business, but still own that policy personally. You could rent the use of that policy to your business and not then have the ownership change of that policy. It would still be owned by your personal balance sheet and or a trust. And you would let your business use that life insurance policy to fund, let's say, a buy-sell agreement. If that was done, the business would pay effectively a 1-year annually renewable term cost for that policy. And that way, that policy would not be included in the calculations for the value of the business, therefore reducing the potential estate tax liability both for federal and state calculations. So if you're watching this video and you're wondering, hey, I might need to do something like this, this is relevant for me, we'd be happy to be a resource for you. Hop on our website at instrumentalwealth.com, contact one of our advisors, message us through social media. We'd love to have a deeper conversation with you around this topic if this is relevant. Thanks, everybody, and have a great day.